D is for drum. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for king. L is for ladybug. M is for mushroom. N is for nuts. O is for oval. P is for plane. Q is for quilt. R is for robot. S is for seal. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zoo.